So here is it. This is session 18. So today we will be doing work and time, the left out part. Okay, question number 10 now. Question number 10, you have to just understand this. This cistern means work. Okay, the tap or pipe will be meaning man. Okay, just the same thing, whatever we have done in the previous way, did the same way, but we have to just change this value. So in this place of man we will write whatever it is. Here it is tap, so we will write tap here, then time, then here it will be efficiency, and here it will be work. Okay, the work means the cistern. So here it will be first step, then it will be second step. So the time, here it will be 4, here it will be 3, and here it will be the LCM of this two, that is 12 units, hours. So here it will be 12 units. So this will take 4, here the efficiency is 4, here the efficiency is 3. So when open together, the efficiency will be 3 plus 4, that is 7. So time taken will be 12 divided by 7 hours. So 12 divided by 7, 1, 5 by 7 hours. Okay, now question number 11. Now there is one thing, this emptied part. So here it is a pipe, so we will write here pipe. So here it is time, here it is efficiency, here it is work. Here there was a word, if you read the question, there was what this the second pipe is called emptied pipe. This outlet pipe, or this outlet pipe you can say, it is doing something negative. This pipe is giving in and this pipe is taking out. This one is the outlet pipe, this one is the inlet pipe. Inlet pipe is doing the work and this outlet pipe is taking this everything out. Okay, so this is doing something negative. So whatever the efficiency will be, whatever here it will be negative here. Okay, this is the inlet pipe, this is the outlet pipe. Okay, the inlet pipe takes 4, and the outlet pipe takes 6 hours. Okay, the LCM will be 12 here. So this part, inlet part, the LCM is 3, and the outlet part, this efficiency is 2, minus 2. But minus 2, why minus 2? Because the outlet part is doing something negative. When something negative work is being done on, the efficiency will be minus. So when together opened, efficiency will be 3 plus minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, that is 1. So time taken will be work by efficiency, work is 12 by 1, 12 hours. Okay, now question number 12. One tap fills a bath in 12 minutes and another tap fills in 15 minutes. A waste pipe can empty both the in 10 minutes. Okay, what time will the open accidentally? So here it will be taps. Let us write all these steps. Here it is time, here it is efficiency, here it is work. So this is the first, that is, let us take the first one as A, then second one as B, and the last one is C. Okay, this is doing a negative work. This is negative because this is letting out everything. These two are letting in, this one is letting out. Okay, so this is a negative work, these two are positive work, so the efficiency will be minus here. Time, this one is taking 12 minutes, this one is taking 15 minutes, and this one takes 10 minutes. So the work will be of this tree, the LCM will be 60 units. So here it is 6, here it is 4, here it is 5. So we got all the efficiency. So efficiency together will be the efficiency is 5 plus 4 minus 6, that is 9, 3. Okay, so time taken will be, here it is, I guess 60 divided by 3, that is 20 minutes. Okay, exercise, let me check this. -20 minutes. Question number 12, it's done. Now question number 13. A pipe can fill a cistern in 6 hours due to lack of leakage. It fills it in. So here also the same pipe, time, efficiency, and work. Okay, this one is pipe A, and the next part you can see here, if you read the question, a pipe can fill a cistern in 6 hours. Okay, this A pipe can fill the hours in 6 hours, but due to a leakage, so there is another thing, that is something is going out. So two things are working here, so it will be A and the other part will be B, that the other inlet will be B. Why minus? Because it is doing a negative work. Okay, so now this one will be 7 hours, this B is doing a negative work because there is an outlet, so outlet means negative. Efficiency here, it will be, first of all we have to find the work, 42 units, the LCM of 6 and 7. So now if we do, here it is 7, here it is 6. Okay, so now efficiency of B will be A minus B. This is how we can find the efficiency of B. From this part we have to subtract this. Okay, we have to subtract this. From this part we have to subtract this. So now here it will be 7 and here it will be 6, so it will be 1. So the efficiency of B is 1, so time taken will be work by efficiency. Work is 42, efficiency is 1, so 42 minutes, or sorry, hours, I guess, yes, hours, 42 hours. Question number 14. Here is the pipes, time, efficiency, and work. So the pipe, first one is A, B, then C. This C is negative. Okay, this C is negative. So time, first one takes 15 hours, second one takes 20 hours, and the third one takes 12 hours. And all this, the LCM is 60 units. So here 15 4s are 20 3s are, and 12 5s are. This one is in negative. Okay, so when we add it, when open together, efficiency is equal to A plus B minus C. So it is 4 plus 3 minus 5, that is 7 minus 5, 2. Efficiency is 2. So if the efficiency is 2, then time taken will be is equal to this 60 units. So 60 divided by 2, that is 30 hours. Okay, so MCQs, try it, and HOTS. Let's do the HOTS here. Question number 17. So here also same thing, main, time, then main, time, efficiency, and work. Okay, so main, first of all, A, B, here time taken up by A is work for 20 days and B left. So first of all, efficiency, you cannot do it in this way. days, work for it in 20 days. So you have to do it in this other way. So here it is in 30 days A plus B did in 30 days A plus B did is equal to 1 work. Okay, so in 20 day A plus B did work is equal to 1 by 30 into 20 work, so that is 2 by 3 work. 2 by 3 work. So work left out will be 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3 work. Now this 1 by 3 work is completed by A in 20 days. Okay, this is what A has done in 20 days. So in 1 day A will do 20 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 20, that is 1 by 60, and we already know one thing here. If we find it out, in 1 day A plus B did is how much? 1 by 30 work. Okay, so in 1 day A did this much, so in 1 day B does is 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60, so it will be 60, 2 minus 1, 1 by 60. So why am I doing this? There's no need to do here. So 1 by 60 part of the work is done by A in 1 day. So one part of the work is done by A in 1 divided by 1 by 60, so it will be 1 into 60, that is 60 days. B 60 days. Okay, the option number B. Question number 18. Pipes A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 6 hours respectively. Pipe C can empty it in 12 hours. The tank is half full. All the three pipes are in operation simultaneously. How much time? So here this pipes, time, efficiency and work. A, B, C. Time taken are 5 hours, 6 hours and 12 hours. This is negative, okay? This is negative. The work done here is 12 plus 60, 5 14 jar, then here 6 10 jar, 12 5 jar. So these are the efficiencies. Now here one part is given, the total work is 60, but here already the tank is half full, so amount of work to be done, 60 divided by 2, that is 30 units. Amount of work that needs to be done is half of the total work, because it is half full, so this is 30 units. So now efficiency together, A plus B minus C, so 14 plus 10 minus 5, so it will be 24 minus 5, 19. Plus 24 minus 9, it will be 5, this is 19. Okay, so now time taken will be work by efficiency. Work is 30 and efficiency is 19, so this is the answer, hours. Okay, so thank you everyone. So next class we will be doing not construction, I guess, quadrilaterals. Okay.